Today we'll explore how to streamline project management tasks within the industry by leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT. As future professionals in a dynamic sector, understanding how to integrate artificial intelligence into your workflow is crucial. We'll go through specific examples and prompts that you can use to enhance efficiency and productivity. We'll discuss the textile industry as an example. In the textile industry, project management involves overseeing the production process from raw materials to finished products. This includes planning, resource allocation, time management, and quality control. The complexity of these tasks can be daunting, but with ChatGPT, you can automate and simplify many aspects of your workflow. To allocate resources, we write this prompt. Create a resource allocation plan for a textile production schedule with 3 product lines over the next quarter. Using this prompt, ChatGPT can assist you in distributing resources effectively across multiple product lines. It can consider factors like resource availability, production timelines, and budget constraints to generate a comprehensive plan. For timeline, we write this prompt. Draft a timeline for the launch of a new textile collection, considering design, sampling, production, and distribution phases. With this prompt, ChatGPT can help you establish a realistic timeline, ensuring that each phase of the collection launch is allocated sufficient time. This can help prevent bottlenecks and ensure a smooth production flow. Regarding quality control, we can write this prompt. List the control checkpoints for a batch of dyed fabrics and suggest a protocol for addressing defects. Here, ChatGPT can outline a quality control process tailored to dyeing operations, including checkpoints like color consistency and fastness. It can also suggest remedial actions for common defects, thus maintaining the high standards expected in the textile industry. For reporting, we can write, generate a weekly progress report template for a textile manufacturing project that includes KPIs, milestones achieved, and issues encountered. Communication is key in project management. This prompt will help ChatGPT create a template that can be used to keep stakeholders informed about the project's progress, focusing on key performance indicators, milestones, and any challenges faced during the week. Integrating ChatGPT into your project management workflow in the textile industry can significantly enhance your efficiency. By using specific prompts, you can automate routine tasks, organize information, and facilitate decision making. Remember, the key to successful implementation is to tailor the prompts to your specific needs and to refine them over time as you become more familiar with the tool's capabilities.